All right, folks, Mike here with the watch list video for, let me get this right, Thursday, June 13th. SPY gapped up on CPI numbers this morning. Then we had FOMC in the afternoon. So gapped up and ran, but ended up closing slightly below its open. Let me slide this over real quick. If you are new, pause the video and read that. Thank you. Really important to understand what we do. Couple things from today. AFMD actually had a big rip, and there were a couple ideas in the room. I hate to use the word ideas because when it was up like this, I put it on pullback watch. I literally typed in the room AFMD PBW, which stands for pullback watch. And usually when I do that, I'll in turn just turn around and place a hard bid, right? Mid-fives buy zone, if you look at it right there, somewhere around 727? Right between the 8 and the 20. You guys know I like the middle of that zone. And look what happens. So it flushes down pretty hard and pretty quick and goes down to, let me see what the low there was, 725. So it literally would have nailed the absolute bottom around 727. And then it ends up ripping. So I didn't say fives buy zone. But normally when I put pullback watch, I put a bid in. And for whatever reason, I thought, okay, if it starts coming down, I'll put my bid in, and it was one of those that did it real fast. So completely missed out on it. As it curled back up, Ramesh gave the idea, I believe it was Ramesh, correct me if I'm wrong, back through 8. And even that would have been a nice trade because it went to 895, right? So you get long there, and it worked right away. Anyway, go back to the daily, and let me pan out here. Go back to the daily, and it looks like longs got burned. But if you're a day trader, could have made money on either one of those ideas. So I had that in my notes. Again, I was in and out today. You guys know I was, kind of taking care of my granddaughter for probably the last day. I think she'll be here in the morning. Then I'll be fully back to work. But she's so sweet. She knew my birthday was today, and she came over Saturday to stay through Wednesday, because she knew my birthday was coming up, which is just so sweet for a 9-year-old. Am I right? Just such a good kid. All right. Anyway. So what are we watching for tomorrow? Oracle, going to go back on watch. Big breakout today. RNA, big breakout today. Extended, but we're still going to put it on a chart. AISP, big pop yesterday. Quiet inside day today. Maybe we get a third day play there. Hang on a second. I've got RNA on the list twice. We can't do that. DDC. Big pop closing well off its highs, but definitely goes on the list. PENN, horizontal line at kind of the most recent highs here and here. And it's kind of a little mini breakout today and nice volume. So maybe some follow through tomorrow. I actually lost in that one the other day. ESI, nice breakout, maybe a continuation day. DRCT, nice pop. Maybe a trade in that one tomorrow. Z is Zillow, same thing, strong move. SDIG, you kind of have from here to here a little cup and handle going on. Nice volume today for that stock. Maybe we'll get a breakout in that one tomorrow. BNAI is just still coiling. This thing could easily break down, but it could also break over all these recent highs and really get going. So I like the looks of the chart. UNFI had a really nice run here. Now we've got after the gap up today, and keep in mind everything gapped up today. We just got another red day, so it's 4 red days after a nice run. Goes on watch, and then GRRR, which is an ugly daily chart. But let me zoom in a little bit. That is, long sideways and straight down for 4 days. Just looking for a snapback bounce. No trades in it today. We'll see if it gives a setup tomorrow. Hang on one second. LGVN. I just saw that on a chart from today, and I don't know how I didn't have that on long watch. So LGVN, nice pop today. As I'm talking to you, it's actually at 229 in after hours. I think I saw that Kevin P labeled this one as a top watch in after hours. Again, you guys know I was gone. Doing a little birthday celebrating. And this one did pop. Gave a nice setup in after hours. So nice job by Kevin P. So that one goes on long watch too. Other than that, we'll add gappers in the pre-market together tomorrow and hopefully catch some good trades. At least we've got CPI and FOMC behind us. All right, I'll see you guys in chat.